Hi, I'm Tasadduk, founder of Ludicities, the world's first Web3 Ludo game powered by Solana blockchain. So far, we have met all our targeted goals. Our application is live on Play Store, and according to our roadmap, we are due to launch on Seeker Phone by the end of December. By the January, we'll be launching on Play Solana, and our web version will be ready by the January start of the January. Our community has grown by 150%, and our token has also been launched. Our goal for the Eternal Hackathon was to build our browser based version of the Ludo game, and it's also underway.